In your notes, I've asked you to type these 4 names, these 4 numbers, and these 4 dates. Having typed this information, you'll notice that Excel likes to put text to the left of their cells. So these 4 names tend to lean towards the left-hand side, whereas Excel likes to put numbers towards the right-hand side of their cells, and dates are classified as numbers. That is the default alignment, text to the left, numbers to the right. But if you wish to change this, it's just a matter of choosing one or more cells. So I'm going to highlight B1 to B4. These are currently right aligned, and if I want them to be left aligned, up in the ribbon, in the Home tab and in the Alignment group, I would click the Align Text Left button. If I wanted them to return to the right, I would click the Align Text Right button. And if I actually wanted them centered, I'd choose the Center button. So center those numbers.